Hey guys, welcome to Top 9 Info. Today I'm going to give you 9 health benefits of oats. Point number 1. High in fiber. Oats are high in both types of fiber, soluble and insoluble fiber. So, you get the best of both worlds. Point number 2. Lower cholesterol. Beta-glucans are indigestible, so they have to go through the entire digestive tract. These molecules are associated with lowering of bad cholesterol numbers. Point number 3. Super heart healthy. It does typically reduce other markers like cholesterol and hypertension, which are known risk factor for heart diseases. Point number 4. Great for preventing and treating diabetes. Because oatmeals are good complex carbs, it's able to slow down the digestion of sugar. Point number 5. Helps with weight loss. Half a cup of oatmeal is under 150 calories and has just 2 grams of fat. Point number 6. Protein rich. One serving of oatmeal has around 5 grams of protein, which makes it pretty protein rich for a grain. Point number 7. Immune boosting. Beta-glucan has also been studied for its ability to help neutrophil navigate to the infected site quickly and destroy germs. Point number 8. Prevent cancer. Oatmeal contains introlactone, a lignin with phytochemical properties that behaves like an antioxidant and helps prevent and fight cancer. Point number 9. Energy booster. Oatmeal is both a slow digesting carb and a protein-rich source of energy for body.